Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this series and this Excel Bootcamp crash course. I hope you guys enjoyed the many lessons and modules that I put together for you guys to learn. If you guys have any more questions, always feel free to shoot me an email. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions and get back to you guys with any information regarding the course or anything beyond this course that you would like some clarification on. I hope you guys have a great journey in Excel, wherever you go, whatever job you decide to pursue. And I know you guys will crush it. And these fundamental skills will help build that Excel knowledge that most individuals may never get to because they never want to take that one leap of faith into learning some more complicated things. So I highly recommend you take this course and you just continue to keep learning, get into something like Power BI, learn a language like Python or R that's related to a lot of data analysis or statistical analysis, learn a query language like SQL, get and dive deep into business analytics. You'll learn so much from doing this about yourself and will help you continue on your career. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick boot camp, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your year. Take care and have a great rest of your day.